Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable FileVault on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. FileVault is a macOS full disk encryption feature that scrambles your data to prevent unauthorized access if your Mac is lost or stolen. So what if you want to turn on this feature on your MacBook? It's very simple. First of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. And from here, you can go to security and privacy. From here, you can select on FileVault. So you can see in here, FileVault secures the data on your disk by encrypting its contents automatically. Now you can select on here to make changes. You can enter your password. Now you can turn on by tapping here. But before that, you can read the list. You will need to log in password or a recovery key to access your data. A recovery key is automatically generated as part of the setup. If you forget both your password and recovery key, the data will be lost. So you can just turn off and turn on. I have enabled this, but now I will turn on this feature. Wait. So if you want to enable or disable, you can just go to this section to turn on your FileVault or to turn off your FileVault on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? It's still processing actually. So that is how to turn on FileVault on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.